see if we can get the old 45th anniversary edition Polaris 700XC Deluxe running. It's been a while. It's been a while since we had snow in Michigan, so this year we have plenty of snow to ride in and get everything going again. But it's been a couple years since it's ran. We have plenty of snow out here now that I just cleared all the snow blowing to get around. But yeah, it hasn't ran in a few years. In the process of siphoning out the old fuel right now, which I was expecting it to be a lot worse than it was, but not that it's great, but it's at least somewhat clear and doesn't look like orange juice like what came out of my sled this year when I did this. So earlier around Thanksgiving. So we'll get all that out and get some new fuel in it. And I already went through and topped off everything else. Oil was good. Well, it was low, but got some, filled that up. Coolant, got a little bit new of that in there, topped it off. Everything looks good. I don't see any major issues with anything. I got spark plugs, I'll pop them out, throw a little juice in them before we try to start it. Once we get some new gas, throw some 2-cycle oil and gas in the cylinders to help her out and get her to fire up and get some fresh fuel pumping through her. But yeah, hopefully we won't have any issues and everything will be good, and she'll start right up and be ready to go, and then me and Jamison can take off and go for a ride and have a little snow fun today. And yeah, cross our fingers. I know he's hoping that everything is great and starts right up first pull, which I know it's not going to be that easy, but I've had to do this a few years. Every couple years we get enough snow to ride, but this one, hopefully, mine's already running, ready to go, good to go, purring like a kitten, the old school Arctic cat. It's ready to go already, so hopefully the old Made in America Polaris over here will start right up the same, and we'll be ripping through the hayfield soon and the snow and having some winter fun. So I'll be filling her up here in a second, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully cross your fingers. All right, so we got all that done. I'm gonna give her a shot of some fuel and oil. We're gonna get the plug back in, or as you call them, sparkulators. Put them in, tighten them in, and we should have everything ready. Checked everything. Things good. Oil, lubed, grease. Pretty darn good. Boots on. All right. So, let's see here. Keys out.
The light's on. It popped since you put that fuel in.
Hello, baby.
Going on the wood slide.